What's up, guys? It's been a while. Been 2 weeks since Beamer Fest. Finally got back to start being able to work on the car again. Not much has changed too much since the last update. Got the fuel lines reconnected to the new fuel pressure regulator, which I believe was the problem of it not starting before. Motor does start, and with a rough idle, and I have to give it throttle to start it, but it does start, so we got some progress there. Other than that, I also got my Brom Racing harnesses installed. My seat, I don't know if I've showed that yet. Don't have the 5th point in yet, but not a big deal. Guess I'm not really driving the car still, but other than that, let's get it started. Make sure I got the battery plugged in. I don't. Now you don't want to start. Huh? I almost wanted to idle right there. So, there it started. Really rough idle, but it started. That's about it. Kind of a short update this week, but it runs, sort of. And I just got to get to see what problem is with it not running so smooth. It could be there's a little bit of gas left over in the gas tanks, so, and that's been sitting for about a year and a half now. So it could be bad gas. I put a fuel additive, and I've added like 4 gallons of fresh 91, so hopefully that'll get cleared up soon. I still have my coolant pipe over here is still too short, so I'm gonna have my cousin cut it and extend it about, I think it was 1.5 inches to 2 inches, so that should fix my coolant problem, and I will be able to run coolant. Also, shout out to PurOl. Hopefully I didn't just show my address. No, just kidding. Shout out to PurOl, new sponsor to the build. Also shout out to Mishimoto and Garagistic and ECS Tuning. But yeah, it's almost ready to start. Almost ready to be driven. Just gotta do a little more work. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a great day.